Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make veggie macaroni salad. First, cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain the pasta thoroughly and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it down. This step is crucial for a good texture. Set the cooled macaroni aside while you prepare the other ingredients. Next, let's get those fresh vegetables ready. Dice 1 cup of crisp celery into small, uniform pieces. Then, finely chop about 1/2 cup of red onion. Its mild bite adds great flavor. Grate 1 cup of carrots to incorporate a lovely sweetness and vibrant color. Finally, add 1/2 cup of thawed frozen peas for a touch of green and extra texture. Now for the star of the show, the creamy dressing. In a medium bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Stir in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar for a tangy kick. Add 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard to enhance the flavor profile. Season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper and a small pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. Whisk everything until smooth. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. In a large mixing bowl, combine your cooled elbow macaroni with all the prepared chopped vegetables. Pour the delicious creamy dressing evenly over the macaroni and veggie mixture. Gently fold all the ingredients together until everything is thoroughly coated. For best results, cover the salad and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy your easy veggie macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.